Hello, my name is Stephanie Harwood, and I am currently attending the University of Laverne, about to get my bachelor's degree in educational studies this coming May. So why do I want to become a teacher? First of all, I've always had an interest in teaching. When I was in second grade, I had a second grade teacher that influenced me to be a better student and also be a better person. And through her, I realized that teachers are very crucial in the student's development and how a curriculum or a teacher's encouragement can really go far for a student that may be struggling academically or even in their personal life. So having that person, and I realized from a young age that I wanted to be that person that helps other students through this. And so I've always known that I wanted to be a teacher. So I have had experience. I worked at a child development center in my previous school at Mount Sac. So I worked with 3 to 4-year-olds and as a teacher's aide. And through this job, I realized the crucialness of having a good curriculum as well as a good relationship with your staff and with the people you work with, as well as the students, and understanding their needs and understanding that every student works differently, every student learns differently, and they have different behavioral challenges or positivities. So that's something that I really learned through that job. And I've also had some volunteer work at different elementary schools. So I did a science night one day, and I also did a carnival night, and there I helped the schools with the students, and I helped different curriculums such as the science. We did different works, and we did different activities that we had to plan out and was age appropriate. So having age appropriate work was very important as well. So my educational background is I previously attended Mount Sac, so Mount San Antonio College. There I got my associate's degree in child development. And something that I found very important while I was there was a program called Teachers Prep. And I found this program very important because it helped me to explore the field of education and realize how big the field is and the different ways I can go in the program, in the teaching. And there it really opened my eyes. And then now I am currently attending the University of Laverne, and I am an educational studies major. And the classes here are very hands-on. We do a lot of project-based learning, and the different classes that we take help teach how to teach different subjects such as science, and we do very hands-on activities that would be situational or something that you're going to actually use in a classroom. So that's something that I have found very helpful during my classwork, and I am very happy that I have taken these classes. So those are some of the reasons that I have wanted to become a teacher, and going through my classes have really helped me to understand that yes, this is definitely the field that I've wanted to work in, and I'm very excited to have different opportunities to grow as a person, as a student, and as a teacher. So thank you for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon.